Where can you find the ProRIP software? To download it from the Procolored official website. To install the software, first double-click to start. Click Next. Click OK. Then we finish the installation. Now we try to run the software and will be reminded that a dongle is missing. Here's the point: you need to insert the blue dongle USB drive every time you use the software. Before starting to use the software, you need to perform 5 steps of setup. Set the scale and language in the top right corner. Adjust the canvas size according to your requirements. Load the correct color profile for the printer. After clicking RIP, configure the print resolution and color order. For UV DTF printing, set the sequence to white ink first, followed by color ink, and finish with varnish. Select the appropriate printer driver. Once these configurations are complete, the software is ready for use.